Welcome to Digital Wisdom. My name is Bobit Thomas. Today I'm discussing about Google Trends. Google Trends is a website honored by Google that analyze the popularity of top search queries across different Google products like Google Images, Google YouTube, and Google News. The website uses graphs to compare search volumes in different queries over time. To get Google Trends, visit trends.google.com. So you will get a website like this. So you can select in top of this page, top corner, you will get like you can choose the country specific searches like different countries like United States or UK or India. So you can options. There is an option to choose the countries. Then there is a search topic like you can explore the different topics there. You can type travel or something. You can type the keyword or search intent there. This is the search term. Then Google Trends will give an idea about it will give an idea about the search happens over a period of time. Then there is a 0 to 100 score. That means that's interest over the time. We can say something like that. That's number representative represents like interest related to the highest point of the chart for the given region and time. A value of 100 is the peak popularity for the term, and a value of 50 means the term is half as popular. A score of 0 means there was not enough data for the time. So this is a data. Then there's a time period. So you can choose the past hour, past 4 hour, past 90 days, or 2000 for 2%. So if you present 90 days, then we will get an idea. It will show the graph interest over the time to related to the keyword travel. So we can compare with some keywords there like stay. So it will compare the keyword term travel and stay. That means here it shows like that the average the keyword travel uh, uh, getting higher percentage of search compared to the keyword stay. So you can compare any keyword uh, using the Google Trends. Not only that data, we will get as different data like which is the most interest for the travel. So we will get the idea from where we are getting the maximum number of searches happening to the keyword. Like in this case, the blue is for the travel and the red is for stay. That means around 79 people are searching for travel from the particular place, and the meantime around 21% is searching for stay. So it's a great and free tool related to uh, data to data analyze. And I recommended this tool for all the people who do digital marketing or search engine optimization for their business. In the meantime, using this tool, we will get an idea related to the related queries with the search terms. So you can see either how many people are searching for the keyword related to travel related queries. So it's a very good tool. In this query is related to the keyword travel, and the next layer you can see like the related queries related to the keyword stay. So you will get a long tail keywords. Using this tool, we will get an idea or to find out what are the long tail keywords in digital marketing or search engine optimization. And Here the one thing is you can download the data using the button here, and using the here you can share the data in the popular social marketing tools like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr. Okay.
You can subscribe the data. There is an option top corner. There is an option to subscribe. There is subscribe menu there. Just click on there. Then you can see a plus button in top bottom corner. Then plus click on there. Then you can see there is an option to enter the subject, something like the travel or the sub word you like, and you can select the region like worldwide or the country specific, and you can check the options like the about once a week or about once a month. Then you will get an email regarding this content in archived content like regarding the trends data in your mail. So it's a very useful tool for everyone to do a digital marketing, or someone who do a business. It will be a great idea to use this tool.